Hello and welcome back. In this video, let's talk about everything we know about the Pixel 4 right now, especially how this device is literally launching next month in October. There are ton of different features in Pixel 4 and Google is handing out leaks like treats to generate hype. So we have a bunch of those. Most important of all, the change in design. It's not gonna be like the ugly Pixel 3 XL with that giant beefy notch, but mostly like Pixel 3. Google justified why they kept the top bezel with this image, and it's pretty clear why. It's hosting a lot of the sensors which will take space. You got the Soli radar chip, the Face ID, you got different motion sensors, the front camera and the speaker, so it's obvious it will have a sizable top bezel. On the back of the device, it has a new design which is refreshing and the colors are also awesome. There is also a orange color Pixel 4 which looks weird, but at the same time it's unique. One cool thing about owning a Pixel device is the stock OS and regular updates. And on that note, the latest Android 10 is having some great features and you could be few of those who get to try it if you own a Pixel device. It's a solid Android device and I love it. Another cool thing about Pixel device is the camera optimizations. In addition to the newly added dual camera setup, it has the redesigned camera interface which looks organized and pretty easy to use, putting lot of options within easy reach without cluttering up the screen. The full extent of the Pixel's camera software upgrade is not known, but there are APK circulating of Google Camera 7 which is ported from Pixel 4. You can check out the video for that. And I know most of you love Pixel device because of its camera, and count me in as well. In this blog, Google shared few details about Soli radar chip. As you reach for Pixel 4, Soli proactively turns on the face unlock sensor, recognizing that you may want to unlock your phone. If the face unlock sensors and algorithm recognize you, the phone will unlock as you pick it up, all in one motion. It's not limited to just Face ID. You can wave your hand to skip songs, snooze alarm, you can silence phone call and do lot more stuff. One thing I'm not sure whether Pixel's Face Unlock is as good as Apple's Face ID. iPhone Face ID is so secure that it can be used for banking and stuff, and as you already know, Face ID is not a strong suit for Android. But with the advent of Soli chip, this might change. What we don't know is, will Pixel have both fingerprint and Face ID or just Face ID? There are other things about the Pixel device, that is, it may have a 90Hz display, but Google hasn't said anything about the Pixel 4's display. If Pixel could get a 90Hz refresh rate screen, that could make scrolling around the phone feel a lot nicer, much like the buttery smooth screen on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And here's a video of the supposed Pixel 4 XL screen in action, including on-device gameplay footage of PUBG Mobile. Google said at I/O 2019 that the next generation Google Assistant is coming to the new Pixel phone later this year, so it seems like a safe bet that the Pixel 4 will get the next generation assistant, and it has a lot of features like Hold My Phone, Screen Assistant, Ambient EQ and few more. Yes, and how do you activate Google Assistant? By squeezing your Pixel device, as this leak seems to confirm that Active Edge will return. Today we didn't get to go too deep about its specs, but if that's what you came looking for, then this is a little roundup of most important specs of Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. And that's it for today guys, see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel and do it right now. Peace out.